Here's a radar monitor. Radars can be used in many ways. For example, NASA's lab operation Ice Bridge uses 4 types of radar to map the Arctic ice changes over Greenland. Arctic temperature is rising and the Arctic sea ice is at a record low. The mission's goal is to protect coastal communities and understand climate change. The idea for this program was taken from the radar project on Hopscotch and information on Techno on Al Jazeera. Here's our Hopscotch work table. We have this character here that is going to draw the horizontal lines. This one is going to draw the vertical lines. This character here is going to draw the radar. We have our moving target, our whiteboard that can be swiped left and right, and the text that goes on the whiteboard. This lady here is going to draw the vertical lines when the play button is tapped. So first we are going to make her invisible. We're going to start the lines at 0, 0, and I'm going to try to make them really fast by setting the speed to a very large number. To make drawing the line even faster, we're going to use a clone. So we're going to create 20 clones that are going to draw the lines. Each one of the clone characters is going to be invisible. We are going to set the position to 0, 0. We're going to set the speed to a very large number, and we are going to repeat 20 times, drawing a vertical line. In fact, what we're going to do, we're going to start and draw a line up. We're going to go a little bit to the right and draw a line down and go a little bit to the right. So we set the angle to 90. We draw a green line, which is 10 units wide. We move forward to the height of the iPad. So we use the variable iPad height, and we turn 90 degrees, change X by 51 in order to go a bit to the right and go down. We go down again to the height of the iPad and move X by 51 to start another set of 2 lines. This character is going to draw the horizontal lines when the play button is tapped. So first we're going to make it invisible. We're going to start the lines at 0, 0, and we're going to have 20 clones to draw these horizontal lines. Each one of the clones is going to become invisible, start at 0, 0, and going very fast. Each one of the clones is going to draw 20 horizontal lines. Each of the lines is going to be drawn like this. We start horizontally, make it draw a green line, the width of the iPad, we turn 90 degrees, go up a bit, go back down, and go up again. So we do that by setting the angle to 0, leaving a trail of green color with a width of 10 units. We move forward the width of the iPad. The width of the iPad is a Hopscotch variable that has the width of the iPad. And we turn 180 degrees, we go up by 51, move forward again the width of the iPad and go up again by 51. When the play button is tapped, this character here, which is made of 3 emoji characters with spaces in between, is going to draw the radar. So the radar consists of drawing the background and be placed in the middle of the screen of the iPad, draw the screen, and then start the monitoring process, which consists of circling around. The background consists of drawing one very wide black dot that covers the entire surface of the iPad. And then we're going to go to the middle. In the middle, we can calculate the middle by dividing the width of the iPad by 2 and the height of the iPad by 2 as well. In order to draw the circle screen, we wait 3.5 seconds in order for the lines to be drawn, and then we're going to draw 2 dots. So the first dot will be white, 600 units wide. Will make the thin circle around the screen, and the black dot, which covers most of the area, is going to be 590 units wide. So you can see the difference of 10 units between the two dots. The monitorability is going to slowly, we set the speed to 2, very slowly, turn around forever the character that we've just made. It consists of 3 emoji characters. It's just going to turn around forever. When the play button is tapped, this character is going to do the moving target. It's going to forever go at a random location, wait 3 seconds, and then start again, go to another random location. Random location is between 300 and 550 for X, and between 250 and 550 for Y. This whiteboard here is quite interesting and could be used on many projects. We can swipe it left when we need it, swipe it right when we don't want it. And so in the beginning we make it a little bit bigger. We change the position when it's swiped left and change the position again when it's swiped right. So when the play button is tapped, our whiteboard is placed at the right position, so it is hidden from most of the screen. So we grow it by 2000% and place it to the very right at 1300, 350, so it's barely visible. When we swipe our whiteboard to the left, we make the entire whiteboard visible by positioning it to the left at 700, 350. So the entire whiteboard is now visible. When we swipe our whiteboard to the right, we place it very far to the right, so it is barely visible again. When the play button is tapped, we have the whiteboard text, which is set to the text you want to write, and it follows the position of the whiteboard. So initially it is at 1300, 350. When the whiteboard is swept right, the whiteboard text is going to take the whiteboard right position. When the whiteboard is swiped left, the text is also going to take the whiteboard left position. And here we have our program.